Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time you see the video or where you're watching me from, you're highly welcome. My name is Onyema Sarah. In my today's video, I will be sharing with you what to do so that you can have a sound health. Understand? Like some people, when you see them, you might be thinking that they're older than you or older than your grandfather because of what? Because they are not taking proper care of themselves. So they look older than their age. So these are the things you need to do for you to save yourself, for you to save your life, for you to save yourself the money for hospital. Understand? So these are the little things we need to do, the things we need to avoid, the things we need to take, the things we need to check regularly. Understand? Please watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't just watch and pause. Please make sure you watch this video to the end because it will really help you. Please, and also if you find this useful, share it to your friends, loved ones, your group. Please do me a favor by sharing the video. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you get to know whenever I upload a new video or a video like this. Thank you. God bless you. Please don't forget to share the video. God bless you.